Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Opukie, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there. Alright, so today let's get right into this question on the board on mathematics, and we have an exponential problem here to solve, okay, on indices. So we have simplify 8 to the power of n multiplied by 2 to the power of 2n divided by 4 to the power of what? 3n. So simply to solve this, now we have to keep all the numbers in the same base. So the smallest base here we have is 2. So we are going to keep 4 and 8 in base 2. So how do we do that? We know that our 4 is 2 times 2, which also means 2 squared. And our 8 is what? 2 times 2 times 2, which also means 2 to the power of what? 3. Okay, so our next step is we are simply going to substitute in place of 8. We are going to use 2 to the power of 3. And in place of 4, we are going to use 2 to the power of what? 2. So we are going to have 2 to the power of what? 3. So 2 to the power of 3 to the power of what? N. Okay, multiply by the power of n and multiply by 2 to the power of what? 2n divide by what? We have 4 becomes 2 to the power of 2. Okay, multiply by what? The power 3n. Okay, from this we can simply recognize something here, okay, which we have as what? If I have a to the power of n, a to the power of n, this is called double power what law. It means we'll have a multiplied by what? The power of what? N times n. Okay, so we are simply going to apply this into this, and let's see what that gives us. We are going to apply it here and here. So we are going to have this as 2 to the power of 3 times what? N, just like we have here, multiplied by what? 2 to the power of 2n and divide by what? 2 to the power of what? 2 times what? 3n. Okay, so 3 multiplied by n, okay, that is going to give us 2 to the power of what? 3n. So multiply by, we have our 2 to the power of what? 2n, and divide, okay, we have 2 to the power of what? 2 times 3n is what? 6n. Okay. Now from this, what other law of indices or exponentials that we can what? Apply to what we have? Okay. Now for this part, I'm seeing we can use what? Our multiplication what? Law. Okay. And for this part, we can also use our division law, but let's apply the multiplication law, then we can now apply the division law. Now for the multiplication law, what do we do? So if you have, let's say, a to the power of n multiplied by what? A to the power of what? N. You simply want to take one of the base and add parts. Okay, so we're going to apply that here. So I'm going to take one of these, which is the base 2, and add the power. So we have 3n plus what? 2n. Remember, we still have our divide, 2 to the power of what? 6n. Now 2 to the power of 3n plus 2n is going to give us 2 to the power of what? 3n plus 2n is 5n. So divide by what? 2 to the power of what? 6n. Now from this point, what law can we apply to this? Now just like we applied our multiplication law, we can also apply what? Our division law. So for the division law, we have a to the power of what? N divided by a to the power of n. All you want to do is you want to bring one of these base and subtract powers. Okay, So we are going to do that here. So now this is going to be, we are going to bring one of these, okay, and subtract the power. So we have 5n minus 6n, okay. So that is simply going to give us, we have 2 to the power of 5n minus 6n is going to give us minus n. Alright, so we can either leave our answer at this, or we can, change it to the inverse form, which is 1 over what? 2 to the power of n. So either this or this gives you the answer to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to someone out there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.